Hi guys! Today is a really simple and quick to make meal for two. I've been thinking that I share different kind of recipes, but I actually don't share the things that I do on a daily basis. So I want to share these kind of really quick and easy to make but delicious recipes with you, and today it's going to be a salmon dinner with rice and a side salad. So let's get started. I have everything prepared here and I will just quickly tell you how we are going to do it. So the first thing we are going to do is to start boiling the rice, and after that we are going to make a delicious horseradish lemon dill sauce for the salmon. Then we are going to prepare the salad, and the last thing is going to be the salmon because we want to fry it just before serving. So now I'm gonna start making the rice. I have a portion for two of rice, so I'm gonna add that into my saucepan along with a little bit of salt, and then I'm gonna pour the water over. And then I'm just gonna boil the rice according to the package instructions. So for the sauce, we will need a little bit of dill. So I'm gonna grab a couple of branches. I'm gonna remove the hard ends, and then you just want to chop it finely. Then I have a small bowl where I'm gonna add in the dill. Then I also want to add some lemon, and I'm using a organic lemon because I'm gonna use the skin. So just grate a little bit of the skin of the lemon. Just about half, and that would be enough. Then I'm also gonna season with a little bit of salt. You always want to add just a little first, and then you can taste and add more if needed. And then you want to add some natural flavored yogurt. I'm using 3.5% fat so that it's not too thick. I'm just gonna add in 3 tablespoons first. Actually no, I'm gonna add another one. And then I want to add in the horseradish, and I'm adding in about 1 teaspoon. And then you just want to mix it well, and once you've mixed, you want to do the taste test. So know that there's enough salt, and actually also so that you have a good kick from the horseradish. So I've decided I'm gonna add in 1 more tablespoon of the yogurt, and now I'm just gonna leave it aside so it can infuse a little bit, and then I'm gonna taste it just before serving, and then I'm gonna add in more salt, more horseradish if it needs that. And while you're making all the other things, so the sauce and the salad and prepping the salmon, don't forget about the rice. So once in a while give it a good mix and make sure it's not burning to the bottom. So we've checked the rice, and now we can start making the salad. So wash the arugula, and I'm just gonna add it into my salad bowl. Then I have about half a cucumber here. I'm just gonna chop it. Then I'm also gonna add in half of a yellow pepper. You could also use green or red. I like to add some color, so I don't have any yellow in the salad, and that's why I want to add the yellow pepper. Then I also want to add some onion and some cherry tomatoes that I'm just gonna halve. And then we just need to make or season the salad. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt, some black pepper, a little olive oil, some lemon juice, and then we just need to give it a mix. My rice has just cooked through, so I've added a little bit of butter to it and I've removed it from heat. And now is the last bit, so I'm gonna start with the salmon. So I'm going to first divide this piece into two. And then once you have two portion sizes, you want to again halve these, but carefully don't cut the skin. So you just want to cut through the salmon itself, and then you have this beautiful steak-like piece. And then you want to turn them around like I've done here and salt and pepper this side. And then I have my pan on medium-high heat here, and I'm gonna add in just a little olive oil. And the salmon. Then you want to salt also from this side. And pepper. And then once you see it's cooked or it's really light up until the half of the salmon, you want to turn it around. Turn off the heat and give it another couple of minutes. And then you just want to plate it. So I'm gonna add the salmon first. Then some rice. And then the salad. And then last but not least, don't forget to add your sauce on top. Cameraman and myself cannot wait to get our hands on the salmon, so I really hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know if you like this kind of videos. And also, this is kind of a little taster of what my live shows could be like, because there is a voting going on at the moment on my community tab. So I'll link that for you here, and also you can just go to my community tab and you will find the voting there. So the winning one at the moment is quick and easy meals, and this is an example of such meals. So if you vote for that, then you will see more recipes like this. So if you would eat this, don't forget the thumbs up. And also, if you're new to my channel, then the subscribe button is somewhere here and you can subscribe there, and if you tap the bell, you won't miss any of the new videos. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.